Hello everyone, I'm Vishal Jha and welcome you all once again in the lecture series of Industrial Engineering. We are studying the first chapter of Industrial Engineering, that is Introduction to Industrial Engineering. Up till now we have studied the definition of industrial engineering, objective of industrial engineering, then we have studied definition of productivity and methods to improve productivity. In this topic we are now going to study factors that affect the productivity. So we will study the factors affecting productivity in two parts. First is controllable or internal factors. Factors that affect productivity inside the industry, within the industry, is known as controllable factor, and factors that affects the productivity, but it is the factors that affect the productivity outside from the industry is known as uncontrollable or external factor. So now we will study internal factors or controllable factors. First, design of product or features of product or complexity of product can largely affect the productivity. So when we study the design of product, we can understand that a simple product means a product which is very simple to manufacture, have a higher production rate compared to product with very large number of features, or design of product is complex, then productivity is very less. Then we can understand that plant and equipment can also affect the productivity. Layout of plant can reduce the effort, can reduce the time amount, and design of equipment, availability of equipment can also affect productivity. So plant and material handling equipment can affect the productivity. Material handling equipment can reduce human efforts and ease the overall production work. Then we can understand that technology that we are using inside the industry can also affect the productivity. We can understand that advanced technology have higher rate of production, and advanced technology have qualitative product. So we can compare that lathe and CNC. CNC is an advanced technology, and it have higher rate of production with good quality. So technology like flexible manufacturing system, robotics, artificial intelligence, CAD can also affect the productivity. Advanced technology can give you more production rate and can ease your production work. Material. So type of material can also affect productivity, because hard material have a low metal removal rate and hard material have low machinability. So machinability and metal removal rate is very low in hard material compared to soft grade material. So it is difficult to manufacture hard material, and it consumes very large amount of time to manufacture hard material. So type of material can also affect productivity. Then we can understand the human is the central part of any production system. It controls overall activity of the production system. So human can affect production system. So human factor means skill of the labor, their experience, all this can affects the productivity. Then working method, which work method or work style you are preferring. It is accurate or inaccurate, it is planned or unplanned. So your working method can also affect the productivity. It can also take part in reducing overall production cost. Then management style, which kind of policy management has adopted, and what are the benefit it give to customer, what kind of their view of production system, what are their approach towards worker, their employees. So management style or management policy can largely affect productivity. Then financial factor is very important factor. Every industry cannot grow without finance. So growth of the industry, the technological advancement can depend on financial factor. Their capacity to increase production, it depends on financial factor. So financial factor is very essential. So these all are controllable or internal factors that can be controlled with applying some techniques. So inside industrial engineering, we are going to study different techniques to control this internal factor that is in our reach to control. These all internal factors are in our reach to control, and we can control it and we can improve productivity. Now we are going to study uncontrollable factors, that is external factor that is not within the reach of industry. So there is a structural adjustment, that is an uncontrollable factor. If there is a structural reform at national level, government is changing their policies, government is progressing towards economic reform, government is progressing towards their financial reform, their taxation system, government is focusing on certain manufacturing area, and so this all structural adjustment that are approached by government cannot be controlled by the industry. So this is external factor, and this structural adjustment also affects the overall business and affects the productivity. Just like GST, government have adopted GST, and that affects the certain business, and it also affects the productivity also. Then natural resources, availability of natural resources is very important. If we are choosing any business or choosing any product which have a material requirement or a resource requirement that is not available within certain region, or that is not cheaply available at certain region, then there is a difficulty to establish and to grow business. We can take example of cement industry. Cement industry is growing in Saurashtra region is due to largely availability of bauxite. So availability of bauxite in Saurashtra region is main reason to grow cement industry. So availability of natural resources at a very low cost is it can affect the productivity. Then government policy. government policy towards a business, towards taxation system, government policy toward banking system, toward financing system can affect the business. Government have certain government provide subsidies or not, or government provide loan at cheaper interest rate can affect also business. Infrastructure development. Infrastructure is termed as rail and road construction, availability of electricity, availability of water resource, that can affect business. You cannot start business at a certain distant place where connectivity of road, rail and transportation facility is not available. If there is electrical interruption, you cannot grow your business. So infrastructure is a very essential component to grow business, to grow productivity. So these all are uncontrollable factors, means you cannot control these factors, and industry have to establish and grow their business in relationship to this external factor also. When we want to start any business or we want to grow any business, you need to consider this uncontrollable or external factor also. So these all are from my side. If you have any doubt, you can ask a question in comment section. Thank you. Have a good day.